Stop right there.
Hey guys, this is my first video blog and I have amazing news. I woke up this morning to find that I had a $230 profit, which I withdrew into my bank account instantly, which is awesome. And I really, really can't believe it. I can't believe how good this is. And I honestly, I can't wait to see how much I make today.
Fast Earners Club is probably the only legitimate way to make money online that I've ever seen. It's great that it doesn't involve generating traffic or internet marketing or anything like that, man. It's just fast and honest way to make money. I absolutely recommend it to anyone, and all of you watching this, you need to do it.
Before Fast Earners Club, I never made even 10 cents online. But fast forward 3 hours after I became a member and I made my first $100. So the first thing I did was call my husband and tell him we didn't have to worry about the rent anymore. So yeah, I would highly recommend the Fast Earners Club to anyone who is lucky enough to have the chance.